how to reset your password in CWB.digital. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is go to the CWB Digital Banking app and go to the login page. There you can see can't log in button available. Now all you have to do is tap on it. Then tap on the forgot password option available there. Now you will be asked to type down your email or username that is linked with your CWB account. Type down your email. Now choose if you want to reset via SMS or reset via voice call. Let me just tap on the SMS. Now enter the verification code sent to your email and tap on the verify button available there. Once done so, enter your security question answers. Then all you have to do is simply reset your password. Enter your new password and confirm your password. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.